Indian economic updates.
India and Japan are finalizing the bullet train design for the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor, with tenders expected soon. The bullet trains will be modified to suit Indian conditions, with enhancements like increased luggage capacity, the ability to operate in temperatures exceeding 50 degrees Celsius, and dust-resistant features. Seating arrangements may also be adjusted. Over 50% of civil work on the corridor, spanning Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Dadra and Nagar Haveli, is complete, with rail welding starting in Gujarat. India is also focusing on indigenizing bullet train production, with the integral coach factory tasked with manufacturing trains capable of speeds up to 280 km per hour. The first units are expected by 2026, featuring modern amenities. From next month, the government will begin collecting and aggregating datasets from ministries, departments, and public and private records to create a database for the India AI Datasets platform. This database will host non-personal data, improving access, quality, and usability for startups, companies, academics, and researchers. The initiative aims to facilitate artificial intelligence and machine learning applications for building localized large language models. Data collection and refinement will take 6 months, after which the database will support training large language models and other models. Under the 10,372 crore India AI mission launched in March, 199.55 crore rupees is allocated for the datasets platform and 689.05 crore rupees for application development. The mission also includes funding for startups, innovation centers, and skills programs. Indian Railways plans to adopt the Public-Private Partnership (PPP) model for new infrastructure projects, aiming to share costs and attract private investment. This includes developing commercial lines like mineral corridors. The government believes PPPs can free up resources for social sectors and other infrastructure needs. While the Railways has traditionally funded projects on its own, the shift to PPP is seen as a way to improve efficiency and growth. Key projects, including energy, mining, and cement rail corridors, will be developed under this model, estimated to cost over 5.25 lakh rupees crore by 2031. Additionally, Railways plans to lease out vacant land and redevelop stations to improve passenger amenities and generate revenue. The Reserve Bank of India has warned that it will impose stricter regulations on unsecured lending if banks and finance companies do not improve their practices. In its latest banking report, the RBI called on lending institutions to prudently manage unsecured exposures to avoid systemic risks. While banks' profitability has risen and bad loans are at a 13-year low, concerns remain about interconnectedness between lenders and private credit firms, high staff turnover, lax loan underwriting, and increasing cyber fraud. The RBI also emphasized the need for better KYC processes, tighter monitoring of gold loans, and warned against digital lending malpractices. Additionally, it suggested prohibiting prepayment penalties on floating rate loans for small entrepreneurs.